Jason David Frank wasn't just a Power Ranger, he was the Power Ranger, man. He made Power Rangers cool. He had this edgy, rebellious attitude, the long hair, the earring. He was just the coolest Ranger there was. He was everybody's favorite. He started out as a villain and soon became the greatest leader in Power Ranger history. We all know him as the Green Ranger who started out evil and then became good, but he was so much more than that. He became the White Ninja Ranger, then he became Zeo Ranger 5 Red. Soon after that, he became the original Red Turbo Ranger, and years later, he went on to become the Black Dino Thunder Ranger. And let's not forget Lord Draken, an evil alternate universe Donnie, who came to this Earth to conquer the rest of the Rangers. And last but not least, my personal favorite, the White Ranger. So I just want to say rest well, Jason. I hope you're at peace. I know I'm not alone when I say you will go down in history as the greatest Power Ranger of all time.